In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set page permissions in Confluence. If you're collaborating on sensitive documents, knowing exactly who can view or edit a page is essential. I'll walk you through the process, explain what each option means, and share a few tips so you feel confident locking things down without blocking your team. Start by opening the Confluence page you want to restrict. Make sure you already have permission to change it. Edit access or admin access is required. If you don't see the options I'm about to show, it likely means your access level needs to be updated by a space admin. Next, open the restrictions controls. You can click the share button in the top right corner of the page, or open the three dots menu and choose restrictions. Both roads lead to the same place, where you'll set who can get in and what they can do. Quick note before we continue. If you need Confluence or want to access it in your browser, I've placed the official website link right at the top of the description, so you can get to it quickly. In the restrictions panel, add the people or groups who need access. Use the field labeled add names, groups or emails and begin typing. Select the correct users or groups from the drop-down as they appear. Adding groups is a smart way to manage larger teams consistently, without updating permissions person by person. Now choose the overall access for the page under General Access. Select Open if you want anyone in the space to be able to view or edit, depending on your specific settings. Choose Restricted if you want only the people or groups you just added to have access. Restricted is the right choice for drafts, confidential notes, or pages still under review. For each person or group you've added, set their permission level. Choose Can view if they only need to read the page without making changes. Choose Can edit if they need to update content, add sections, or collaborate directly. A good rule of thumb is to give the least access needed to do the job. When you're done, click Save. If your site autosaves, simply close the panel. You'll see a small lock icon on the page, indicating that restrictions are in place. That's your visual confirmation that access is limited. A few final tips. Permissions apply only to the current page, not to child pages, so set those separately if needed. Admins always retain access, and use restricted carefully to prevent unwanted sharing. Thanks for watching.